modern and classic wooden furniture. Transform your space from ordinary to extraordinary. Hello dear viewers. Welcome to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into the world of modern wooden furniture, a perfect blend of timeless craftsmanship and sleek, contemporary design. Whether you're decorating a cozy apartment, a spacious home, or even a stylish office, wooden furniture adds warmth, character, and durability to any space. In this video, we'll explore how modern designs reimagine classic wood pieces, combining minimalist aesthetics with functionality. From elegant dining tables and space-saving shelves to statement chairs and versatile coffee tables, we'll show you how wooden furniture can transform your interiors, no matter the size or style of your space. We'll also share tips on choosing the right wood tones, mixing materials like metal and glass for a modern flair, and maintaining your pieces to keep them looking fresh and polished. So, if you're looking to upgrade your living or working space with stylish, sustainable, and high-quality furniture, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest design inspirations. Let's dive into the beauty of modern wooden furniture, because style and comfort should go hand in hand. Modern living room wooden furniture embodies a unique blend of timeless craftsmanship and contemporary design, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional versatility. The use of wood in modern living spaces speaks to a desire for natural materials that bring warmth, character, and durability to a home. Unlike the heavy, ornate styles of the past, modern wooden furniture emphasizes clean lines, minimalist forms, and innovative designs, making it a perfect fit for a wide range of interior styles, from Scandinavian simplicity to industrial chic. The allure of wooden furniture lies in its organic beauty and the sense of connection to nature it fosters within a home. Each piece of wood carries its own unique grain pattern, knots, and color variations, ensuring that no two items are exactly alike. This natural individuality adds an authentic charm to modern living rooms, making wooden furniture not just functional pieces but also artistic expressions. Designers often choose woods like oak, walnut, teak, and ash for their strength, resilience, and rich aesthetic qualities. Lighter woods, such as birch and maple, are popular in contemporary settings for their ability to create a sense of airiness and openness, while darker woods lend an element of sophistication and luxury. In modern design, wooden furniture is often characterized by its sleek silhouettes and unembellished surfaces. Coffee tables, for instance, may feature geometric shapes, slim legs, and a combination of wood and metal for a subtle industrial flair. Console tables with floating shelves or asymmetrical forms bring a sense of modern artistry, while still serving practical purposes for storage or display. The minimalist approach doesn't strip away the furniture's soul. Instead, it highlights the natural beauty of the wood itself, allowing its grain, texture, and finish to take center stage. Seating options in modern living rooms have also embraced wooden elements, balancing comfort with stylish design. Armchairs and sofas with exposed wooden frames reflect a mid-century modern influence, their clean lines and tapered legs adding a vintage yet timeless appeal. Wooden accent chairs with curved backs or intricate joinery showcase the craftsmanship behind each piece, making them both functional seating and decorative statements. The combination of wood with upholstery, whether soft linen, plush velvet, or sleek leather, creates a harmonious blend of textures that elevate the room's overall look. Storage solutions in modern living rooms often highlight the versatility of wooden furniture. Low-profile media consoles with sliding doors or open shelving provide sleek storage for electronics, books, and decorative items. These units may incorporate mixed materials like metal or glass, adding layers of visual interest while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Wooden sideboards, with their clean lines and seamless handles, offer additional storage for everyday essentials without compromising the room's modern feel. The thoughtful integration of storage and style allows these pieces to serve both practical and decorative purposes, keeping living spaces organized yet effortlessly chic. Coffee tables, a central element of any living room, have undergone a modern transformation as well. Solid wood slabs with live edges bring an organic touch to contemporary spaces, their raw, unrefined contours celebrating nature's imperfections. Alternatively, sleek wooden tables with angular designs or nested structures offer flexibility and a touch of architectural flair. The juxtaposition of smooth surfaces with natural wood grain creates an eye-catching contrast, adding depth and personality to the room's design. Wooden accents extend beyond traditional furniture pieces, subtly enhancing the modern living room's ambience. Floating wooden shelves provide a minimalist solution for displaying art, plants, and curated decor. Sculptural wooden lamps or pendant lights cast warm, inviting glows while doubling as design statements. Even small touches like wooden trays, coasters, or decorative bowls add cohesive natural elements that tie the entire space together. These accents work in harmony with larger furniture pieces, reinforcing the organic yet refined aesthetic that defines modern design. Color and finish choices further personalize modern wooden furniture. While natural wood tones remain a popular choice for their warmth and authenticity, contemporary designs also experiment with bold finishes. Matte black wood, for example, adds drama and sophistication to a space, while whitewashed or gray-stained pieces create a serene, coastal-inspired vibe. Some designers use a combination of wood tones within a single piece, like a two-tone coffee table with a dark walnut top and light oak legs, bringing dynamic contrast without overwhelming the room's aesthetic. Ultimately, modern living room wooden furniture is about balance between form and function, tradition and innovation, nature and design. It embodies a commitment to quality craftsmanship and timeless materials while embracing the flexibility and minimalism of contemporary living. These pieces not only serve practical purposes but also tell stories of the trees they came from, the hands that shaped them, and the homes they now enhance. As design continues to evolve, modern wooden furniture remains a steadfast and stylish choice, offering comfort, character, and a connection to the natural world within the heart of the home. Thanks for joining me today on this journey through the beauty and versatility of modern wooden furniture. As we've seen, these pieces aren't just about function, they bring warmth, style, and character to any space, whether it's a cozy corner of your home or a sleek office setup. The blend of natural materials and contemporary design creates a timeless look that can elevate any interior. Remember, choosing the right wood tones, combining textures, and investing in quality craftsmanship can truly transform your living environment. Plus, wooden furniture is not only stylish but also sustainable, making it a smart choice for those who value both design and the planet. If you found this video helpful or got inspired to refresh your space, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more design tips and creative ideas. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite piece of wooden furniture, or how are you styling it in your space? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating spaces that feel like home.